Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move or rearrange applications on the home screen on your Roku Express. This is very easy to do. So find the application you want to go ahead and move. Now you can't hold down OK on the app, otherwise you will select the app. What you want to do is press the astric key right here. So if you look right here, it says press this button for options. So on the remote, it's located right next to the voice icon. So let's press this on the application. So let's go to Twitch, press the asterisk key, then here's the application. Now we can go up to Move Channel right here and select this. Now let's move it to the top. And I'm unsure if Twitch is actually supported on the Roku anymore, but let's move it right here and select it. Now at any point in time we can just go to the home button and we can go to the application right here and we can find it really easily. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.